gonna drive a Cabover, first time in life. Hopefully I'm gonna hit anything. He's gonna kill me. It seems pretty small, to be honest with you. It's such a new feeling. I've never driven one. Let's see. That's it. That's pretty easy. So it feels pretty car-like, to be honest with you. It feels nothing like a truck. You feel the power a little bit. I'm using the clutch, so I haven't tried without a clutch yet, but I'm gonna definitely try it. I feel so like a car, it's crazy. You really don't have to think about shifting gears here over here at all. It's so easy. I'm driving a truck in Poland, which I've never done before. This is my first time, so pretty impressive. Nice. We'll play it a little bit. I gotta get used to it a little more. The roads are pretty narrow over here, so I want to make sure I'm like not. And since we have a light here as well, it's. I don't want to mess his truck up. It feels pretty good as far as the chassis and how it feels when it's the cab is shaking. It's a lot different. You get a lot more movement than the conventional truck, and we're on a very narrow local route, so. Yeah, so I was just saying how it was shaking, and it feels very top heavy, so it pulls it back left and right a lot, and it's an unusual feeling, to be honest with you. It feels weird because it just feels like the whole cab is shaking. So it's probably a lot better with a load, but right now we're bobtailing right now, so it's not. It doesn't feel you get a lot of vibration. It feels really good. Shifts very quickly. It's a very quick shift. Let me see if I can actually not use a clutch. No clutch. That was no clutch. That was a lot easier too. That's crazy. Gears in with no clutch, it was super smooth as well. So no clutch. Pretty similar. You just have to find RPM and feel it out, but it feels a lot smoother if you're not using the clutch to swap the gear. So it has airbags in the front. It's a short frame, so that's why the ride is a lot rougher. But it's all airbags in the front, airbags in the back, obviously. And it's so So you can feel the wheelbase. It's definitely a lot shakier than driving let's say a Volvo 670 that has a 225-inch frame. It feels a lot shorter than that. I still koku.
I still koku.
That's so much fun. So I was just telling Kuba that he's definitely, that was one of my dreams to drive a semi in Poland. So he's making it possible for me. I'm very grateful for him to do that. I never knew how I would end up driving a truck in Poland, but we just started talking about trucks, and he reached out. We've been in contact on the internet for a little bit, and we started talking about trucks, and now here I am driving a semi and absolutely loving it. Very grateful for the opportunity. So this is it for now, guys. I'm gonna get it back to the shop. We're gonna hang out and talk more about trucks, but as of right now, a pretty good experience as far as being able to drive a Cabover truck in Europe, and a way different experience than our trucks in conventional trucks in the US. So definitely a lot of fun and great experience for me. Please subscribe, share, and talk to you soon.